Hello everybody, Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist here to help you, inspire you, motivate you, and encourage you on to great successes with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And tonight's subject, we're going to talk about ways where you can increase your flexibility, versatility, and add in alternatives to your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And that is specifically creating a contingency plan, staying keto even when life happens. Now let's discuss this at length today. One of the biggest challenges of sticking to the ketogenic lifestyle is staying on track when life throws unexpected obstacles our way. Whether it's a hectic workday, unexpected travel commitments, or a social event with no keto-friendly options, being prepared is key and pivotal. That's why having a contingency plan available is crucial, as it ensures you don't have to rely on last-minute high-carb convenience foods or make choices that set you back on your keto journey. Here's how to create a solid backup plan for when things don't go as expected for you. Number 1, stock up on emergency keto foods. The best way to stay keto in unpredictable situations is to always have keto-friendly snacks and meals on hand. Keep shelf-stable options in your car, at work, or in your bag so you're never caught off guard. Some great choices include individual packs of nuts and seeds like almonds and macadamia nuts or sunflower seeds. But certainly if weight loss is your main goal, stay away from seeds and nuts as they tend to be highly inflammatory and will disrupt the weight loss process. Other snacks to have on hand that's very applicable for even people that are looking to lose weight are beef jerky or meat sticks. Look for low-carb versions. Ham and turkey is in play here also. How about canned tuna or salmon? Great with avocado or mayo packets. How about nut butter packets without added sugar? So try nut butter packets. Hard cheese or cheese crisps is a good suggestion. Electrolyte drink mixes to stay hydrated on the go is very helpful. How about hard-boiled eggs, pork rinds, pepperoni slices, or even sugar-free Jell-O is a very good low-carb snack. Having these on hand means that even if your schedule gets highly chaotic, you'll never have to settle for carb-heavy snacks. Number 2, plan for dining out on the fly. Sometimes you'll find yourself at a restaurant or social event where keto-friendly meals aren't obvious. Having a go-to strategy for dining out makes all the difference in the world. Keep this in your memory bank. Stick to simple proteins. Grilled chicken, steak, fish, or burgers without the bun are almost always available. They're nutrient dense, they satiate the appetite, they're low carb, very helpful. Swap sides. Ask for extra veggies, a side salad, or avocado instead of fries or potatoes that are really starchy. Ditch the sauces in restaurants. Many sauces and dressings contain hidden sugars and carbs, so opt for virgin olive oil, butter, or vinegar instead. Customize your order. Restaurants are used to making substitutions for you. Don't be afraid to ask and be your own advocate. Having a mental checklist of safe keto-friendly meal choices will make it easier to stay on track even in unexpected dining situations. Number 3, prep a backup meal at home. There will be days when cooking just isn't an option for you. Instead of reaching for something off-plan, keep quick keto-friendly meals stocked in your fridge or freezer. For example, cooked and frozen burger patties or grilled chicken. Maybe even pre-cooked bacon or hard-boiled eggs. Maybe even shredded rotisserie chicken for lettuce wraps or quick meals. How about frozen cauliflower rice for easy stir fries? Maybe even keto soups or stews. Meal prep a batch and freeze in portions. When you have a pre-made meal that is ready to go, you won't be tempted to order takeout or grab something that derails your progress. Number 4, it's always important to have a mindset shift. Progress, not perfection. Even with the best contingency plan, life can still throw you curveballs. The key is to focus on long-term consistency, not short-term perfection. If you slip up, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track at the next meal. Having a backup plan means you're always prepared and ready, but it also gives you peace of mind that you can handle any situation without feeling overwhelmed. By keeping keto-friendly snacks, knowing what to order when dining out, having emergency meals ready, and adopting a flexible mindset and attitude, you'll be able to stick with a ketogenic lifestyle no matter what life throws your way. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. I would be very, very much proud if you were to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for doing that. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.